Wait, what? Since we all just finished up with the Thanksgiving leftovers, I thought it was time that we talk turkey. Well, you'll find wild turkeys all over Walt Disney World, from Fort Wilderness to Pop Century. But every year, guests at Walt Disney World, well, they gobble down 1.6 million pounds of turkey legs. Gobble, you see what I did there? And they gobble up turkey leg merchandise as well. Because one t-shirt led to, well, 2 more. Hats, and for those of you who really need the smell in your car, they have air fresheners, but is that really fresh air? Okay, first, let's dispel an ugly rumor started by none other than Flynn Rider himself, Zachary Levi, who appeared on Conan in 2017, and he said that a friend told him that the legs are really emu. But someone who has eaten emu said the birds taste nothing alike. Thanks, Goofy. It's said that the reason Disney's turkey legs are so big is because they use the tom or male turkey, and those legs can tip the scales at about 1.5 pounds. Now, while the wild turkeys roaming the property can look pretty meaty, those legs, well, they're just not going to cut it. Guests want their turkey legs Mickey approved. And Mickey started approving the well-known snacks in the late 1980s when they made their appearance at a Frontierland cart called Big Al's Coonskin Caps. But apparently, well, Big Al's found another hobby.
Sorry.
By the early 1990s, the only place to get turkey legs was in Pecos Bill's Tall Tale Inn. One ex-cast member remembers that on a cold day, as many as 4,000 legs walked out the door. Now, in addition to Frontierland, turkey legs are available in 2 other Magic Kingdom locations, at the Liberty Square Market and at Tortuga Tavern in Adventureland. Now, probably the most recognizable of the turkey stands is the one located in Epcot. If you head over to the World Showcase, you'll find it right outside the American Pavilion at the Fife and Drum Tavern. From there, you can buy yourself a turkey leg and maybe even watch a concert.
Come on, Roger.
Now the snacks are available as a meal. All you gotta do is head over to Animal Kingdom to the Yak and Yeti service window. And Animal Kingdom, the turkey legs are a meal because they're served with chips. Now they used to be available over at Hollywood Studios at the Sunset Ranch Market until a change in menu switched over to healthier options. Even though the turkey legs themselves taste great, it doesn't mean that they're good for you. There's no way they can be considered any kind of health food. The legs themselves are cured in salt, and that's why they kind of taste like ham. But I don't think any doctor will recommend that much salt. Containing 730 calories, they're not just a snack, they're a meal. That is, if you're used to a meal with 36 grams of fat. For me, I'm really a soft pretzel kind of guy, but my sons agree on one thing: Disney turkey legs are awesome. Emmy's really more interested in her stuffed squirrel than the turkey legs, but she still likes reading your comments. As for me, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll give it a big thumbs up. That way YouTube will know that I'm no turkey. If you'd like to see more of this kind of content, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? Well, it's free. All you gotta do is push the red subscribe button down below. Remember, if you do subscribe, don't forget to push on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Producing these videos every Friday can end up costing a lot of money, but that's where you can help out. All you have to do is head on over to Patreon/AsBobSeesIt, and you can sign up to be a regular donor or a patron to this page. Your help would be much appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.